Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to today's Jailbreak update video. Now today was an awesome day because Apple held their 2018 iPad and Macintosh computer event. And preceding the event, Apple has released iOS 12.1 to the general public. Now 12.1 adds some awesome new features: group FaceTime, 70 new emojis, new camera bokeh effects, eSIM support, and a whole lot more. So if you're really not interested in jailbreaking, iOS 12.1 is going to be an awesome update for those users. But if you're interested in jailbreaking, iOS 12.1 is also rather peculiar as well. Because if you guys remember way back when, the developer Umang, he tweeted out saying, "Status on my vulnerabilities and potential of an iOS 12.x jailbreak." He said his bugs were alive and well. He's able to successfully jailbreak A11 and A10 devices, and hopefully he'll be able to jailbreak A12 devices as well. But regardless, the entire point of me bringing this tweet up is because he mentions his release time frame of iOS 12.1 at the very bottom. So we could be seeing these vulnerabilities and bugs be released to the public from this developer very soon, as like I said today, iOS 12.1 has now been released to the public. It's available today for download. Along with this developer, other developers are also working on iOS 12 vulnerabilities and looking into that, such as Ian Beer. He's now moved entirely on from iOS 11 and now focusing primarily on iOS 12 as well. In any case, this is just awesome news that iOS 12.1 has finally been released. This is the major iOS 12 update we've all been waiting for. We thought it might come at the end of October if Apple was holding an October event. Well, all the stars aligned because Apple held their October media event. We received new iPads, new Macintosh computers, Mac Mini and MacBook Air to be specific. The Apple Pencil 2 looks pretty awesome. Unfortunately, we didn't get any update on a Mac Pro or AirPods 2 or the wireless charging mat AirPower, but all in all, the conference went really well. The new iPads look absolutely fantastic. If you guys are excited for the new iPads and the new Macintoshes, iOS 12.1, and hopefully in the near future an iOS 12.1 jailbreak, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below as well. I'd love to know your guys' opinion on everything that happened today in this Apple event. Sorry our stream did not go too well. We ended up having to shut it down mid-stream just because it wasn't working quite right on our side. In any case, we will try next time and to be a little bit better. But in any case, stay tuned for some awesome coverage from today's event. Again, this little quick jailbreak update really is just to let you guys know that iOS 12.1 has been released. There's a major developer on the scene who said he's going to release his iOS 12 exploits when iOS 12.1 has been released. Well, that day is today. So now it's just a waiting game to see if Umang is going to actually release his exploits. He is the #1 developer who's most prominent on the scene, I would say, in developing and disclosing and working towards an iOS 12 jailbreak for the public community. Again, once we have these exploits, then Coolstar and other jailbreak utility developers will be able to see them and then begin to create and derive their utilities for iOS 12. But until then, it's really just a waiting game until we have a kernel exploit for iOS 12, 12.0.1 or 12.1. Unfortunately, Coolstar and Pwnone and all the jailbreak utility developers are kind of just twiddling their thumbs waiting around for some news to happen. In any case, I'll be the first to update you guys if any breaking news happens. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys are excited for an iOS 12 jailbreak, hopefully sooner than later. Anyway, diving back into iOS 12.1 in a little bit more detail, if you guys check out this awesome article on Apple's website, it's just in their newsroom category. It goes into detail about group FaceTime, how to use that. It's awesome that we finally have group FaceTime, although I don't know why you'd ever need to group FaceTime with 32 people. Granted, 1 or 2 people I think would be really useful. 70 new emojis. Some of these emojis look absolutely incredible. I'd highly suggest you check it out, as well as the new portrait mode with the bokeh effects when you're able to change the blur after the fact that you've taken the photo, just like on the iPhone XR. I demoed that in one of my previous videos. And then finally, dual SIM support for the iPhone XS Max that has dual SIM capabilities. So all in all, this update is going to be a fantastic one for those users who are not interested in jailbreaking. And another quick note, something that's pretty awesome is if you guys are already on iOS 12.1, if you actually have the latest beta installed being beta 5, you won't actually have an update pending for you, as that was pretty much the Golden Master beta version, I guess. There won't be any actual update to iOS 12.1 if you were on that beta. In any case, all in all, the battery life has been pretty great for me. I've been on iOS 12.1 betas the entirety of me having my iPhone XR right here, and it's been working phenomenally. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this quick video. Again, subscribe if you want to stay updated on the future of iOS jailbreaking and some of Apple's latest products. We have pre-ordered pretty much everything from today's Apple event, so if you guys are excited for videos on those, unboxings, reviews, honestly, let us know what you guys want to see down below in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, but until next time, this is Tony, signing